What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on Tron, which has been gaining in value, not even in the last 24 hours but in the last couple of hours. As you can see, it has gained just about 5 to 6% in value. Earlier this morning around 6 AM is when it started to pump up, and it's still going up in value. So what we're going to be looking at is what is Tron's next target level. Is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down, covering both buyers and sellers point of view? As a lot of people have been asking me, should I invest into it right now? Should I wait for it to drop, or should I sell it, or should I wait for it to go even higher? So that is what I'm going to be going through in today's video, and covering both short-term investors and long-term traders as well. But before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can take part by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So as you can see here, in the last hour itself we had just about gained half a percentage. Over the last day, nearly 6%, very close, and over the week 2%. It's been very volatile, up and down all over the place, but as long as it's moving in a positive direction, that's all that matters. And over the month, however, it has dropped just about 7%. We can see here in early April it was worth about 7 cents and dropped all the way down to about 5 cents, went back up to nearly hitting 7 cents here, and right now trading at 6 cents per coin. So what is this next target level? I'm going to be going through my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall for 2022, what we should expect from Tron, and is it a good investment? So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 3%, just above 3% in the last 24 hours, making it under $1.4 billion, which is a huge amount of money that is being traded on this crypto. And we can see there's a lot of buyers as well as a lot of sellers, short-term traders as well as a lot of long-term investors as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, so I'm going to hide it for now, and we're going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But just a little disclaimer before I go any further, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders. So zooming in here, actually let me go back to the daily chart quickly. We can see we've got the SMA indicator as well, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Tron at 0.06390. however, it is trading at a slightly higher value at 0.06692, which means it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let me go back to the 30-minute chart here. As you can see, we were going in a bullish direction, but however right now they have both calmed down, and we've got the blue line actually going in a negative direction, looking quite bearish, and the orange line looking just about bullish, but it is slightly starting to fluctuate out and flatten out itself. So yeah, looks like the peak has come to an end. Again, we may see a peak up a little bit, but again nothing major is expected. More or less we are going to start going back down in a negative direction, so do expect peaks and dips in between over the next couple of hours towards the end of the day today. But the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side, so do expect minimal drops as well. And by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, we should expect it to drop in value and be worth lower than what it's worth at the moment. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days are looking quite bullish. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a positive direction. However, they are once again starting to flatten out, fluctuate, and we can see that very likely over the next couple of days. So towards the end of next week, we should expect it to be worth what it's worth at the moment. Yes, it's going to be volatile like it's been over the last week, up and down all over the place, but it has still it's worth the same as it was worth about back on the 21st of Jan, sorry not Jan, what am I talking about, 21st of April or even 24th of April, and the exact same applies right now. We're going to see it go up and down in value, but the overall outcome towards the end of next week seems to be more or less the same value as it's worth right now. Moving on to the daily chart. the long term next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, and again, they're not looking too steep. They are just about going in a positive direction, which is quite good, meaning over the next couple of weeks, so again, I'm talking about early June to mid-June, we should expect a higher value than what it's worth at the moment. Very likely going past the 7 cents mark and heading towards the 8 to 9 cents mark by mid to late June as well. But yeah, these are my predictions as of right now. Any changes or any updates that can potentially have an impact on the value of TRX, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get updated as soon as I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale on the daily chart. I drew it on the hourly chart earlier, so I'm gonna have to draw this one more time, so just bear with me. Here we go. So here we have the Fibonacci scale, guys, showing you guys which color we are trading in at the moment, which is the green zone, and we have been trading in the green zone since early 2021, so sorry, not 2021, 2022. So January 2022 is when we first dropped down to the green zone from literally all the way up to the top tier level back in November, and ever since then we've been taking drops in value and right now are trading in the green zone. So before I go any further, guys, just a little announcement. I do have a Telegram group chat where you guys can find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and also daily analysis on different cryptocurrencies are posted in this group chat. Again, you get that for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is limited to the first 100 members. After that, it will go up to $29.99, and once again, over half the spaces have already gone, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. All the links, all the details you guys will need is in the description box down below, so make sure you go check that out as well. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Just to make it clear, once you sign up, guys, you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm buying and selling cryptos. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptos amongst each other, and that is also where I put daily predictions and technical analysis on different cryptocurrencies. Anyways, back to TRX. So as you can clearly see here, last time we did try and escape from the green zone, shall I say, was back very late March, as you can see, 31st of March, and then it resisted and dropped back down in value, tried to go there, drop back down, and the next time we do hit this level of about 7 cents, which I mentioned earlier, very likely we may top up to about 8 to 9 cents and then drop back down in value into the green zone. Now, I'm not expecting any breakouts anytime soon. That very likely is only going to happen if we have any major news or major updates that can have a positive impact on the value of Tron. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on TRX, guys. You guys have asked for a weekly update on Tron, which is what I'm doing right now. If you guys want more often videos on Tron, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try and get that done for you guys. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer, guys. Thank you so much for watching, especially those of you who have been subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.